All right, today I gotta take off this gas tank. There is a buttload of sand, like fine sand. Maybe it's Glamis sand, I don't know. But there's a lot up in there. And I got a new gas cap for this too. I don't know if they dropped this bike or if they just over tightened the shit out of this cap and split it. Maybe with low fuel and high vapors, well, no, it should be coming out of here, so there shouldn't be any pressure buildup. But yeah, when I tighten up the cap, that crack splits open and sometimes a little bit of gas comes out of there. Here's that gas cap. I also bought some new grips, and I'm kind of bummed out that I cannot find them. So I'm not looking like 20 other places. See if I can find them. So it was the same price for a plastic factory looking gas cap as it was, well, actually that one was more expensive than this one. Fucking Chinese one. Looks freaking pretty. So I'll go ahead and switch it now so I don't have this damn hose hanging around while I'm trying to empty the gas out of the bottom where the petcock goes. Got the gas off. Ooh, this line's kind of stiff. Huh. Doesn't thread on very much. What the fuck? Chinese bullshit. Oh, the threads look the same. They're like really coarse. Just not as deep, I guess. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I guess that's why they look cheesy. Whatever. Fucking just go tight on that bitch. Yeah. There it is. Shit, there's some washers fell off. I'm gonna dump this stuff into a clear gallon so we could see what kind of shit's in there. Okay. I got the two 8mm little bolts loose. I waited till the gas was pretty darn low. What I do, I noticed before I went on a long ride with Trevor. Yeah, and then figured I would just do the long ride, and this filter in here I guess has been stopping this nasty sand from going into the carb then into the engine, because this thing runs fucking sweet. So I'll probably have to put some gas in here again and swoosh it around if I can't get it all out. I don't want to rinse it out with water because I want to go ride with the neighbor right now. Hopefully this gasket's still healthy in here. Oh shit, that gasket's pretty fucked. Damn it. Well, that filter's been doing its job. I don't know if you can see that. Oh. That is one fine filter. I'm gonna have to get a new gasket for that petcock there sooner than later, but I guess that filter really did its freaking job. I'm glad it was there. All right, 1, 2, 3. Come on, bitch. Get it all. That's so fucking nasty. Oh my god. I guess it's not sand, it's just years and years of little crap. A lot of dirt and sand, but there's some other random little things in there. Look at this. Oh, cool, it focused. That is some nasty stuff. That's one damn good petcock filter. Oof, freaking gross. So now I put some more gas in there, a little bit more. I'll swish it around. I go dump this on some cardboard or some wood or something, and then I'll pour that out into this thing cleaned up, so we know how much more comes out. Got this box of cardboard here. I'll pour it into this oily rag, and then we can see exactly. Well, maybe I'll pour over here with just the gas, so I don't get that rag too soaked too fast. Okay, now we'll pour into the napkin. Whew, that looks fucking nasty. That's like years and years. Now it looks black. Oh my gosh. If you haven't checked your tank, maybe you should check it. Almost looks like rust pieces, but it's not, because the gas tank's plastic. All right, second round wasn't as bad. I wasted a little more gas than I wanted to. Seemed like I barely put any in there. But yeah, just some final little chunks, not as bad. Came out, we'll call that good. Got the tank back in. Next will be, geez, that filter got dirty fast. This is dry too. Next will be the carb. Clean that carburetor out. It is nasty and filthy. Get this thing pressure washed, save up for some revalving on those forks and this rear shock for my weight.